Hi, my name is Clive. I'm your inspector today. I'm inspecting this Range Rover for you, Range Rover Sport. Just going to go through the bodywork. Bodywork overall is in a good condition with minor scratches, as you would see around here, around the bumper, as you would expect that normally to be the case. This side is covered with a lot of light bush scratches from the narrow country lanes driving, so you will have that present all over the left side. Front bonnet, it is a bit dirty. There's a few minor imperfections, you'll see them in the pictures. Front bonnet has been painted before. We will consider that acceptable insurance standard. You will see again front bumper scratches and chips, would consider acceptable. It sits in a Pirellis all the way around, 5 mils. However, discs are a bit scored and showing some signs of wear, and would be advisory to replace, especially at the back. The front ones are about 80% left. You will need to replace them on the front of disc pads. We need to replace on an X-pad replacement. So the rear ones has been replaced, but it's done on a budget way. It should have been changed, the rear discs, but it is in a satisfactory condition still. Interior showing some minor wear and tear marks as it is 2011 model. Some light scratches on the leather. Same as on a dad seat, and some wear and tear. Seat base and unbroken and worn seat base. 100,000 miles, you would expect that in and out of the vehicle. USB connector didn't work. An iPod connector showing some error when I'm connecting it. The only thing I don't like about this vehicle, everything else is got a good service history. There was just about £2,000 spent on this vehicle recently. I don't like there's a audible noise. Engine was warm, and I didn't like how it started. A bit unhealthy. It could be a chain issue, and there's also, when it's warm, there is a bit of noise coming. It's not a supercharger. It could be it could be worn chain at some point. You know, I would recommend before you buy this vehicle, make sure the engine is completely cold, and do a cold start. If there is some sort of noise, it's just I would walk away. The best thing would be get into some garage, Land Rover specialist, and let it start in a cold before you exchange the money, because otherwise, if it would be a chain or something else which can be expensive, then also it would be later on down to you, and it will cost you. So as a chain replacement could be up to £3,000, £5,000, just a ballpark on this. So we're going to go for the road test now and see how it performs, and performance issues I will write it in my summary. Thanks for using us.